Hi, and welcome to this meditation focused on healing the body and calming inflammation. This practice will allow you to gently relax, releasing tension and bringing a sense of calm and restoration to each part of your body. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and take in a deep, gentle breath in. And as you exhale, allow your body to soften and relax. This time is just for you to nurture, relax and heal. Over the next few moments, let go of any worries or distractions and give yourself permission to be fully present. Let's start by bringing our attention to the breath, using it as a tool to settle the mind and soothe the body. Take a long, slow breath in through your nose. Feel your abdomen rise and then exhale fully, feeling your abdomen gently fall. Continue breathing slowly and deeply, allowing each breath to calm your mind and bring relaxation to every cell in your body. With each breath, visualize a soft, warm light entering your body as you inhale. This light brings calm and healing energy with it. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any tension, pain or discomfort, letting go of any tightness or stress. Continue this breathing, feeling the gentle rhythm, and with each breath, allow a feeling of peace to wash over you, calming both your mind and your body. Now we'll move through a progressive relaxation, bringing calm and soothing energy to every part of the body. This relaxation allows your body to feel supported and encourages it to release any stress or inflammation. So begin by bringing your awareness to your toes and imagine each toe softening, relaxing, and being surrounded by a warm, gentle light. This light is calming, soothing, and healing. Now feel this relaxation move up to your feet and your ankles, soothing and releasing any tension in the joints and the ligaments and tendons. And allow that soothing light to move up to your calves and knees, feeling them relax and letting go of any tightness. Imagine any discomfort or inflammation is gently melting away, being replaced by calm and comfort. Continue moving this healing energy up to your thighs and hips, And let these areas feel heavy, supported, and completely relaxed. Now bring your awareness to your lower back and abdomen. Allow the soft, healing light to spread across these areas, easing any tension, calming any discomfort, and inviting a deep sense of peace. Focus now on your chest and upper back. Imagine this warm light filling your chest, calming your heart, and bringing ease to your breathing. Visualize its healing energy as it calms and nurtures this part of your body. Now move this gentle awareness to your shoulders, neck, and arms, letting go of any tightness, any inflammation or discomfort. Feel your shoulders soften and release, allowing this relaxation to flow down to your elbows, wrists, and fingers. Finally, bring your awareness to your face and head. Allow your jaw, your cheeks, and your forehead to soften and loosen, releasing any remaining tension. And let your entire head feel light and clear and relaxed. Now your whole body is relaxed, calm, and open to receiving beautiful healing energy. Now that your body is deeply relaxed, we'll visualize a healing light that will help calm any inflammation and support the body's natural healing processes. So let's imagine a bright, warm light is just above your head. This light is a source of pure, calming, healing energy, and it holds the power to soothe and renew every part of your body. Visualize this light entering the top of your head and spreading down through your body like a gentle warm wave. Feel it moving down through your neck, the back of your head and shoulders, chest, calming and easing any discomfort as it moves on down. And imagine this light moving further down through your abdomen, your back, your hips and legs, all the way down to your feet. Everywhere this light touches, it brings a sense of calm, reducing any inflammation, tension, or discomfort. This light nurtures and soothes every cell in your body, promoting healing and renewal. As the light fills your body, feel any pain or tension melt away. Trust that this healing energy knows exactly where to go, reaching every area that needs it the most, helping your body to heal itself. Now, we'll use a series of affirmations to support healing and reduce inflammation. These affirmations will help strengthen the mind-body connection and encourage a sense of health and well-being. Silently repeat these affirmations or simply listen and absorb their meaning. My body knows how to heal, and I trust it to do so. I am surrounded by calm and healing energy. Every cell in my body is healthy, vibrant, and at ease. I release any inflammation or discomfort with each breath. My body is strong, resilient, and capable of healing itself. I am deeply relaxed and my body is at peace. I am grateful for my body and its ability to heal. Feel each affirmation as a truth, allowing it to strengthen your body's natural healing abilities. Know that these words are supporting you, inviting health and comfort into every part of your being. Now, bring your body's attention back to your entire body and feel the warmth, the calm, and the beautiful peace that now fills every part of you. Allow yourself to feel gratitude for your body and its amazing ability to heal and recover. And take a moment to thank your body for everything that it does for you. Show it kindness and compassion, knowing that this support helps create an environment for healing. So now let's begin the process of returning to the present, bringing with us a sense of calm, health, and renewed energy. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. Notice the ground beneath you, feeling supported and grounded. Take a few deep breaths, bringing fresh energy back to your body. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, taking a moment to adjust to the present moment. Remember, the calm, healing energy from this meditation is something you can carry with you throughout your day. And each time you breathe deeply, you can reconnect to this feeling of peace and support for your body's natural healing abilities. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful, relaxing day.